all over the world tonight. Set our hearts all over the world tonight. Hearts all over the world tonight. Set our hearts all over the world tonight. Hey, oh, we're so tired. Let's go tonight.
Okay, Team A. 3 points, Team A. Bakit kinuha niyo yung upuan ko? Upuan ko yan. Sabi tayo. Okay, next song. Ready, Team B, Team A.
I can almost see you.
Okay. Team B na una. Si Chris na una. Si Camis ang sasagot.
The Climb. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost, no direction. My head is shaking. I'm gonna keep trying. Gonna keep
Next contestant. Losers, go. Okay, next. Anton versus Sean. Okay, ready, ready. Move back, move back. Mahulog kayo. Team A daw. Sean, ano yun? Turuan nyo.
Ano na meron ako dyan?
Okay, it's 6-3 in favor of Team A. Ready? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Robbie versus Alec. Oh, the brothers. Ready? Ready? Your horn, Alec. Ready? Gia, Gia, hands down. You should use your horn. Sige, mahulog kayo. Sige, 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 mahulog kayo. Okay, Team B, Team B. Team B, Team B. Alex, sing it. next? Okay, who's next? Form a line, form a line. Titigil na natin yung game. Hindi kayo nagla-line. Line up, line up. Who's next? Gustus versus Gabby. Okay, ready? Hands down, Gia. Hands down, hands down. Ready, Chris na, ready mo yung hands mo. Ready, ha? Ready mo yung arm mo. Hands down, arms down. Ready? Move back, please. Hindi pwede yung horn may alam. Okay, alam niya, boys. Gabby, what's the song? Okay, sing it. Sige, kalma mo, Gabby. Kinikilig mami mo, Gabby. Okay, thank you. Next. Sige, sige na yan. Okay, next. Sige. Oh, paano yan? Nauna naman yung A. Team A. Sorry. Sino kay? Oh, Team A daw. Who's singing? Iba yung rumble-rumble. Take police.
Just cut it out.